Let me show you how engineers prompt. You guys have no idea. First of all, I would like to increase the font here, and I would like to create one file called promise.js, or yeah, promise.js. Yeah, so I already have added this file right here, so it will just simply point me to that file. And yeah, so we have this call promise button, and we'll be simply, okay, we'll maximize this thing. Okay, press Control B and it hides. Okay, first we need two things. The very first thing we need is a girlfriend. Let's say it's a girlfriend, and we don't have any. Correct? First thing, we mostly don't have girlfriends in the very first time. Here's the thing about creating promise. When you create a promise in JavaScript, it's very easy. Once upon a time, I struggled a lot. I was in an interview, and then I could not create a promise. They wanted me to create a custom promise. So here's the thing I'm going to show you. Here's the thing. So it's that custom promise. So you just write it like this, and if you want to create two ways of creating a promise. So either you say custom promise, and you can have it, and then you can say like new promise, like this. This is a way to create a custom promise, which is in the end, like when we are going to use, you're going to have to use it like this. So one drawback when we use it like this, in this format. So in this format, when we use it, it's like if we want to pass something into that promise, if we want to check conditions by passing arguments and checking, all that is not possible. But I personally feel like this is a better way, because we can have, variables, we can have arguments, we can accept parameters. So first parameter is a girlfriend. I'm going to name it GF. Second parameter is a third guy. Why we need a third guy? Third person, maybe second guy, to test the girlfriend. If there is a second guy, the girlfriend is not loyal. So second guy. We cannot start with 2, sorry. Guy 2. Yeah, guy 1 is me, and guy 2 is the one. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is like new promise. So you understand what I'm saying, right? New promise. And then in this new promise, what it does, sorry, we got to return this, my bad. Yeah, so it returns a function. Promise returns a function which includes 2 parameters. One is resolve and another is reject. In our case, since this is a relationship, we'll say promise accept, whatever, decline. Okay, but you can call it anything you want. So let guy 2 is, let's say that no, guy 2 does not exist by default. Now here's the thing. If GF is there, first argument, do we have a girlfriend? That's the thing. If not there, decline, because we don't need to promise no girlfriend, brother. No GF. You're nothing. You're just okay. So if there is girlfriend, now we'll check, is there any guy 2? If any guy 2 is there, if any guy 2 is there, your girl is cheating. So you do not accept the promise. You decline the promise. Okay, so you say decline. I decline to be with you. We don't care. It depends on you. If you're cheating, if you have a second guy, that means you're cheating. If you're cheating, we decline the promise. We don't follow. Yeah. So otherwise we accept. I will be with you for the rest of my life. That's our promise. It's a promise. There we go. Okay, so there we go. Now we have a button which is called promise. So we're going to call the promise and we will alert whatever there is depending on the situation. Yeah, so here we go. We will add this function to our DOM, to the button, by ID, which is promise, and add event listener. We'll be saying this is the click event. Sorry. And in this click event, we're gonna run this custom promise dot then, dot then, and the response should be alerted. Alert whatever the response is, or catch it. Sorry. Oh my god, catch. My bad. Sorry, we have to write it like this. Yeah. So we catch the promise and we say, reject, alert, whatever the rejecting, declining, whatever this is. And in custom promise, we send two things. Remember, we send one GF and guide to. If GF is there, we send true. We have a GF. Okay. Then if we say, like, let's say that we will check for the false first. If we don't have a girlfriend at all, we don't even have a girlfriend. So what we do, this should come, no GF. No fucking GF. All right. Okay, let's go. We'll run this. Right? We'll run this and say, no GF. We don't have a girlfriend. We don't even have a girlfriend. Yeah. Now, if we have a girlfriend, we need to send this guide to also. Do we have a guide to? We say false. No, we don't have a guide to. That means the girl is loyal. We say, I'll be with you for the rest of my life. You see, I will be with you. Yeah. Now, if we have a second guy, what happens? We say true. We have a second guy. Now we say call the promise. I decline to be. Get off. Die. I mean, go to hell or whatever. Right. Okay. Yeah. Now let's say that you want to test it. How do you know it's working or not? If there is a delay, You're staying with the girl for months, for years. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna say, we're not gonna test anything. We're not gonna do anything if we don't have any sort of girlfriend. I mean, if we don't have girlfriend at all. So we're not gonna check the time because we don't even have a girlfriend. What's the point of calling all these things and checking all these things? But if we have a girlfriend, we say set timeout. Okay, we say set timeout. There's our function, and in the function we say 3 seconds. Sorry, wait. 3 seconds, 3,000 milliseconds. We put 3,000 here. That means 3,000 milliseconds, which is 3 seconds. Now, okay, set timeout. So if we have a girlfriend, and let's say that we are staying with her for 3,000 years. Right? Yeah. And then we see, is any second guy? If there is any second guy, don't be with her. Decline. Yeah. If there is no second guy, accept it. Be with her. Promise. Yeah, that's a promise. Let's start again. So now we are saying, okay, first we'll check again for the false, which is the first argument, that is girlfriend. Is there any girlfriend or not? Will say no, there's no girlfriend. Instantly, no 3 seconds waiting, it says no girlfriend. You're noob. No girlfriend at all, noob. But then, okay, now we're gonna check if we have a girlfriend and we don't have a guy. Right? We have a girlfriend, we don't have a guy. So it will take 3 seconds and it will say, I will be with you for the rest of my life, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever. Why did I count to 0? I don't know. Okay, I will be with you for the rest of my life. Okay, whatever. Works. Now if I say, there's a second guy. True, there's a second guy. Yes. 1, 2, 3. I decline to be with you. That's all. That's your promise, boys. This is custom promise. Now you understand how engineers promise. This is how we promise. learn that.